What does a cow say?
Moo.
What does a cat say?
Papa.
Cat. What does a cat say?
Meow.
That's right. What does a chicken say?
Papa.
Bok, bok. What does a duck say?
Papa.
Quack, quack. What does a horse say?
Papa.
No. What does a horse say? What does a horse say? What does a horse say? No, the horse. What does a horse say? What does a horse say? Yeah? What about, what does Kadence say? What else, Rhett?
Sheep.
What does a sheep say? Bah. What does sheep say? What does a sheep say?
Owl.
That's right. An owl says whoo whoo.
What's the wolf say? Oh.
Oh. What are some other ones, Rhett? What does Mommy say? Hey, Mommy. Hey, Mommy.
What's the doggy say?
What does Doggy say?